Normally, when the government gets involved with business, you expect it's going to be bad, or at least bad for the business in question. In this country, we like private industry to stay private, and we want its interactions with the federal government to be as minimal as possible, unless the company needs a bailout. Otherwise, just forget it. But that's not the way of this government. Certainly not when it comes to Nvidia or AMD, as we learned today, which had Wall Street buzzing on an otherwise mixed session. Dow slipping 201 points, S&P declining 0.25%, NASDAQ edging down 0.3%. This morning, we learned that the U.S. government is planning to take a 15% cut on all the AI chips that these two companies are currently selling to China. For Nvidia, that means a 15% cut on the H20, which was their cutting-edge chip for AI a few years ago, something they were previously banned from selling in the PRC. The president then said that Nvidia might be getting approval to sell a next-generation chip to the Chinese, something, wow, more like their current version, Blackwell, except it won't have as much computing power. We didn't expect that Blackwell could be allowed in China. This was a big deal that the market completely just ignored. That was a mistake. The president had asked for a 20% cut of revenues, but Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang bargained him down to 15%. That was good. The news was greeted as a total novelty, although it wasn't the first time this government has taken a stake to profit from its own moves. Not that long ago, the Defense Department took a 15% stake in MP Materials, the rare earth mineral company with a stock that subsequently doubled. Good trade for the country. We need these materials for national security, and an even better trade for the Defense Department, given that it caught a double. The cost to shareholders for the Nvidia deal, as we told Investing Club members today, Nvidia was selling about $8 billion worth of chips to China, that's every quarter, prior to the previous export restriction. A 15% haircut would equate to a little more than $1 billion per quarter, or about $5 billion per year. Hey, that's a big number for most companies, but not for Nvidia. They were desperate to get this China business back by any means necessary. If the choice is between not having it or paying Uncle Sam a 15% cut, they're going to pay 15% every time.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.